Ooh, buddy. Beautiful day. Big up to the Shug Emery for the woo, buddy. Yeah, look at this. We'll take some of this. Months and months of gloom, and then ping. Here she comes. Lovely. Had this for a week, it's been gorgeous. Right, well, cardboard aided design. Thanks to Cheeky Bloke from Endless Sphere Forums, here of battery donation fame. Give you an idea of what's going on now. So there's the box, with a couple of batteries in the bottom. I'm hoping you can see them. Yeah, there they are. Now, there's only one thing I need to change on this model, which I've noticed already. This side here, I want it to swell out a bit and come out to meet these forks. It's too narrow at the minute. I'm going to extend that out so you get a little bit of curvature in there. Then that'll give me room for some more packs up the top here. Then I'll get eight of the LiPo packs in, no problem. And then on this top bit, so if that's just a representation of spaghetti, which is the inevitable amount of. It's all a bit rough, but it's just a proof of concept. The idea is to make it all out of aluminium sheet and some aluminium angle, L-shaped angle iron, and rivet and or glue. Right, so there you go, you get the idea now. So we've got a cavity under here that follows the old frame line, and then we've got a box on top. Most of the spaghetti will go in the box, although I've picked far too much spaghetti for illustrative purposes. It'll be wired a little bit better than that, but not much. Lid. That construction on lid as well, so it's waterproof. And that silver box is going to be the controller, so the spaghetti will come out of the bottom there, and the rest of the controller will poke through the top. And then when it's actually on the bike, you won't see the spaghetti. I'll seal all around the top of the controller here against the lid. This will be the closed end of the controller, so I can seal that if necessary. That's the open end, but it's underneath the lid, so I shouldn't get any problems with water ingress, hopefully. This will be sealed, of course, over the back. And the way I'll get in and out is going to be a sliding panel, thanks again to Cheeky Bloke. This panel here is going to slide out, not on this side, because there's a crank, but on the other side. That'll simply slide away. So it's actually in the wrong place there, it needs to be more like that. There you go. So you get the idea. Hopefully. Starting to look a bit stealthy, isn't it? A bit like the stealth bomber, but I don't mind really. It's hard to avoid it the minute you put a box on it. The minute you start with this box over the triangle, you know, everyone's going to start saying it looks like a stealth, so let them say it. I don't mind. Cycle analyzer up here. Job done. Lightning rods kit, 1500 watt variant with a V3 cycle analyst to sit up on top. 48 to 88 volt controller running at a maximum of 40 amps. I'll be running that about, well, when I'm having fun and my box is full size with the curvature, I'll be able to get to about 72 volts, probably 30-40 amps. There is a temperature sensor coming on the motor, which will plug into the cycle analyst, and I'll be able to dial in a rest period should it get too warm, and also a cut-off should it get ridiculously warm. So there she is, so far, the battery box, stage 1, cardboard aided design, back garden style. Whoop whoop!